Assalamualaikum, good morning sir. Hari ini kami akan membentangkan projek FullStack Web yang bertajuk Campus Service Hub Student Skill and Service Platform. Platform ni merupakan sebuah uh, komuniti digital yang direka khas untuk Politeknik Balik Pulang. Dalam sistem ni berfungsi sebagai marketplace atau hub perkhidmatan dalam kampus. Objektif utama kami adalah untuk membolehkan pelajar menawarkan bakat ataupun kemahiran mereka. Contoh seperti servis tutor, se, apa, pembaikan peranti secara terus kepada pelajar, kepada rakan pelajar yang lain. This is our team. My name is Siti Syairah binti Asli, as leader dan front end. Next, Syarin Damrini sebagai front end juga. Dan Muhammad Danish Razik bin Muhammad Fazli sebagai back end. Lagi sekali Muhammad Ali Imran bin Abdul Rashid sebagai back end developer juga. Introduction. This campus service hub is a dynamic web application developed to connect students who want to offer or find useful skill and service within the campus community. This system provides a user-friendly platform where students can register, log in, manage their service, and search for service easily. The project is built using PHP, MySQL, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and Ajax. Combine both front-end and back-end technologies to create an interactive and responsive system. This is index.php coding adalah main homepage of the system that display welcome message, navigation menu, and link to login or register. This is output for index.php. Users see homepage with menu buttons such as Get Started and Join Now. Get Started for pergi kepada register, pergi kepada login.php, dan Join Now adalah pergi kepada interface register.php. Also have footer. This is coding login.php used for user login by checking email or username and password from database. This is output for login.php. Login from appear, valid user enter dashboard. Output login.php. Login from error validation message. So sekiranya user tidak masukkan maklumat, message error validation akan paparkan please fill out the field. Ataupun sekiranya user salah masukkan email ataupun password, error message akan appear iaitu invalid email or password.
Moving on to the registration module. Register PHP is the entry point for new users. On the coding side, we use a PHP script that captures the user's name, email, and password. To ensure security, we use password_hash before storing any data into our users table. We also include a check to prevent duplicate emails from registering. In the output, this is what the user sees. We've designed a clean minimalist registration form. When all fields are filled out correctly and the user hits register, the data is sent to our users table and a new account is successfully created, allowing them to proceed to login. User experience is key, so we included error validation. If a user enters an invalid email format like missing the alias symbol, the browser immediately flags it. This ensures that only clean, usable data enters our system. Moving to dashboard PHP. This is the control center for the user. The code here is wrapped in a protection script to ensure only logged in users can view it. It uses Bootstrap cards to create a responsive layout that organizes the user's management options into clear visual blocks. On the front end, the dashboard gives the user three clear parts: adding a new service, managing the existing listings, or searching for other services. It's designed to be intuitive with the navigation bar at the top for quick access to the main features of the campus service hub. Now, let's look at the add service PHP logic. This part is crucial because it handles multi-part form data. Not only does it store the service title and price, but it also includes an image upload script. It checks for file extensions and sizes to ensure the server remains optimized and secure. The second half of the code focuses on the interface. We used a simple form structure where each input is clearly labeled. This allows the user to describe their service and set a price in RM, which is then bound to their specific user ID in the database. This is the Add Service interface. It's a dedicated space where users can upload an image of what they are offering. The design remains consistent with the rest of the site using a soft color palette to keep the focus on the content the user is providing. Finally, we implemented required field validation. If a user tries to submit with a title or description, the system prompts them to fill out the field. This prevents empty or ghost listing from appearing in our marketplace, ensuring the quality of the service hub.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ali Imran bin Abdul Rashid. My metric number is 21JIT24F1222. Today I'm going to presenting about the delete service.php. Delete service, delete selected service, record from database. So when the user clicks the delete button in the system, the service ID will be sent to this file using the URL parameter. The the PHP will connect the database and run the SQL delete query to remove the deleted selected service. After the deletion is successful, the system will be redirect the user back to the service list page and show the updated data. So when we click the delete.service, there will be a notification pop up, which is it says the delete service. Are you sure? So there's a notification bar on pop up on the screen. So next is edit service.php, allows user to update existing service details. Uh, the file is used for update or modify existing service information in the database. When the user clicks the edit button, the system will send a service ID to this page. The page will retrieve the current data from the database and display in a form. So when user can modify the information and submit the form, after submit the form, the system will run an update SQL query to save a new data into the database. So this is the edit form. So the user can fill up the form and modify what they want. So the next slide is search.php. So it used to search service dynamically using Ajax or search keyword. So when the user types a keyword in the search box, the system automatically sends the input to the server without refreshing the page. Ajax is used to send the request to search, which then the queries database to find matching services. The results are returned and displayed. More user-friendly search experience. So this is the output of the interface of the search.php, which is matching service display instantly.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Razi Wesley. My metric number 21, the IT 24, F1226. And my role is a backend programmer. So, this I want to present view service.php. This is coding from database in card table format. So, we do all this thing. I do all this thing for the view service.php. Alright, for the next, first you can see the view search PHP. The output is so this is basically the store font of our project. So we wanted to make it super easy for students to find help. So we built a clean layout with a search bar and quick toggle filter like tutor or repair. So as you can see, I tried and I typed the repair. So um, you can find the service you like and click the view and you good to go. So the goal was to make it look professional, but also very straightforward. So next, we go to the next page. It's for data page DB.php. So this is code I wrote. Uh, it store user information such as ID, name, email, password, and root. So basically, uh, this is to make sure that the connection uh, from the login or register connect properly in the database. So we go for the next database user. Database keep login and register records clearly. So the one thing I want to point is the um, password column. If you can see the long password, right, and messy string of character, that's because we are using password hashing. We never store actual password in plain text, which keep our user account much more secure. So basically that we do to make secure. So we go next to the data services. But previous slide is database user, but now is services. So basically, the slide show the service table. So every time the student fill out the add service form on our site, if you can see the my previous friend um, say in the slide, it pop ups a new row. It keeps track of who posted the price, the description, and even the file path, image, or anything. So it's very organized way to manage all the different student-led business on the campus. So coming to the end, for the conclusion, the campus service hub successfully demonstrated implementation of a complete dynamic web application using modern web technologies. So the system allow user to manage service efficiently while maintaining security through password hashing, pre-password statement, session management, and input validation. So the features such as Edge's live search, responsive design, and multi-page navigation improve the overall user experience. So basically, this project has provided valuable hands-on experience in integrating front-end and back-end development while following proper coding practice. So it also show how technology can be used to solve a real campus needs by creating convenient platform for students to share their skill and services. So that's all for me. Thank you.